apologize. I'm making a public announcement. I am so public announcement. I meant a public apology. Okay, so I know I've been ghost for a little while, and for good reason. I didn't really want to start a YouTube channel like half-assing it. I really wanted to like give like my full like undivided attention to it and like give my all to it and not, kind of like do a video sporadically. I wanted to have an actual, upload schedule and, actual like plan with my channel, but I couldn't really do that with all the things that were going on in my life at the time. So just recently I just kind of decompressed all of that and kind of like minimized like all the things I was doing and kind of, made a priority of what I wanted to do. Like, and right now, like, YouTube is just kind of one of those things I want to just like knock off my bucket list and like just kind of like put myself out there and see where it goes and see where it takes me, because I don't think I've ever been able to be consistent enough to really experience what it would be like. So with that said, welcome. We're going on a well, I can't talk today, so as you can see, let's start with a clean slate. Hi, I'm Jasmine. Welcome to my channel. It's wonderful. And you're gonna have fun here. We're gonna have fun this summer. It's gonna be one of a hell of a summer, boy. Just like the title of the video, this is a DIY lookbook. I'm really excited about this one. I put a lot of heart and soul into this video. I sweated so much while filming this video. I think I almost died from a heat stroke. And this video is actually really unique because all of the key pieces that are going to be featured in this video are going to be available in my Poshmark and my Curry. So if you're interested, if it's something that you think you can't live without, go ahead and hit that up, because that would be so cool. Knowing that someone is wearing something that I personally made, it'll make me feel freaking fantastic. But yes, so that will be available in the description down below. I also will be making an Etsy store sometime soon, so I can like collectively have all of my like made to order and like vintage pieces all in like one area rather than in like two separate apps. So like I'm thinking about just like ditching those two, like Poshmark and McCurry, and just kind of like creating my own Etsy store, but I still need like time to do that. So yeah, so go ahead if you're interested, hit that up. But without further ado, this is my DIY lookbook, boy. Just like kind of go around me. Let's go.
Damn, I ain't be going psycho. Lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the bolo. Come with the Tony Homo for clowns and all the balls. Oh, I ain't be going psycho. Lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the bolo. Don't act like you my friend when I'm rolling through my hands. Oh, you stuck in the friend zone. I tell it 4, 5, 5. Ay, 100 bands inside my short to Gino the shit. Ay, try to stuff it all in, but it don't even fit. Ay, know that I've been with the shits ever since legit. Ay, I made my first million, I'm like shit, this is it. Ay, 34 walk through, man, we had every slit. Ay, had so many bottles, gave up the girl a sip. Out the window, and I'm like, that's so goddamn. When my pieces let it go. This is it. We gon' see. And I'm like, my money, they will never fall. She's taking her hips on the whole, and I can never say no. Am I going psycho? Lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the bolo. Come with the Tony Homo for clowns and all the balls. Alright, we going psycho. Lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the bolo. Come with the Tony Homo for clowns and all the balls. Alright, we going psycho.
and subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a like. Yeah, like I put so much hard work into it. It's something I'm really proud of. And again, if you like any of the pieces that I made, like go ahead, check it out on my Poshmark and my McCurry. My Etsy account should be coming out soon. I just gotta sit down and organize all of that. And if you haven't already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. That I will be linking down below. Okay? I love you guys so much. Mwah.